In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the February gold contract, which has moved higher in 2 of the last 3 sessions, but in a very sideways pattern. If you go back to the recent swing low on November 26th, since then, gold has rallied almost 1.75%. But starting on November 27th, which is the first of the last 3 sessions I just mentioned, gold is only up 0.12%, which you can consider a sideways move or virtually unchanged. The high today, 26.7840, that was up about 0.75%. The low, 26.5660, that was only down 7 basis points from yesterday's settlement of 26.5850. And as we come into the close, a little bit of time left in the session, we're still up about 1/3%. Geopolitics is part of the reason we have unrest in South Korea. We have political turmoil in France, and they're boosting safe haven trades. In terms of South Korea's situation, South Korea's President Yoon Suk Yeol declared martial law this morning, and South Korea's parliament voted to end that martial law just a couple of hours later. And France looks set to succeed in a no confidence vote with their current government, which would make their current prime minister the shortest serving in history. Both of these situations are in flux and still playing out, but this kind of uncertainty tends to be short-term bullish for gold. We also had dollar weakness today, so that came out with slightly lower treasuries, which in terms of the price of treasuries, it rallied, the yields were lower. And that happened after the martial law declaration by the South Korean president. As the day went on, longer term yields actually started to rise a little bit, but that dollar weakness stayed, and that gave a little bit of a tailwind to precious metals, including gold.